Hey, hi. I will quickly show how we can set up OpenEMR in local within 30 minutes. So the first thing is I have actually cloned the OpenEMR repo and then customized it so that it's easy. Copied some of the files. So first thing you need to do, you need to basically clone this repo as per this README file. So let's do it. While we do it, I have already cloned in this repo. So you can see here I have already cloned it, so I'm not going to do that step. You can do that step. The second is, once you do that, you should run this file. Just you call this dot slash docker, and then development easy. This is going to be for the local development only. And then you just run this file, run openemr.sh. So I would, before you run, I wanted to show you the last section of it. If you already have a docker container installed, first of all you must be having docker installed. That is not captured in this. But if you already have some docker container that might conflict with the port, so I would strongly recommend you have a fresh installation. So stop all the docker container currently you are running, remove those, and just clean up first and then start, so that you can have a fresh one and it will not conflict it. And this is purely for the development purpose and the local only, not really production for the student only who is trying to learn it. So let's run this, run openemr.sh. Okay, so one second. Yeah. So once you do that, okay, so there is you should move into this directory. Actually, as per the instruction, change the directory to do this. So this is a good test. You might face this issue, so do not run it from the parent repo directory. Go here and one second. I'm actually already in OpenEMR. Okay. So I have to just run this file dot run this. So let's run it, and that's all. So this one file, once you run, it's going to take care about everything for you. You don't have to do anything. It might take some time, so be patient, because first time it always takes time. It pulls up the required images and put into your local docker registry. So make sure you have docker running, and it will bring it back. So first time it takes some time, so be patient. So that's why I said 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes you should be having up and running, but sometime based on your machine it may be very fast. And one more thing, this is purely for Unix based system. So if you have Windows, you have to make sure you either using VirtualBox or you are using Windows subsystem for Linux. That's not included here in this video, but you can definitely check that in Google it to get it how to do it. So let's wait. As I said, it's going to take some time initially. I'll pause the video a little bit. Okay, I restarted back. So see, once you have waited some time, you should be seeing this one. Okay, this is very important. And the last line, that please run OpenEMR DL to check, the status of the installation. So this comes with within the OpenEMR DL. You can copy this command. So this will typically give you, so see, this is very fast in this case. So you saw it's, I think it is already running. Now if you go to this document to access it, it is a local host. So if you are doing local host, then you can definitely run. But I am not installing in local host, I'm installing in my own server, which is basically mapped to this DNS. So it should work in the local host. So I will just need to type this one, paste, instead of local host I'll just give dlyoke02, and this should bring up the thing. So you can easily log in. The initially it this you are already in, so initial password is admin and password is pass. So you can log in, and you can basically navigate to follow the instructions, and you can navigate to the patient. You can if it doesn't have patient, you might have to load the data, but you can easily add new patients. So this is one thing. And another interesting thing is also that you can also log into the, this is an http one, so you can copy, let me copy this. But this is typically, this will not be exposed to the external user, but only to the web application though. So this is basically 81. Let me check this. Okay, so I'll check this here. So this is going to be this. Okay, now this is for me, but for you it's going to be different. It's going to be your local host 8310. So you can come here and you can root, and the password is also root. You can log in and you can navigate to the OpenEMR schema. All the schema OpenEMR has, you can check that. And good. So that's all about this video. This is a quick demo how to set it up in your local, and you should be good to good. If you have any question, you can definitely put the question in the class forum. I hope it is helpful. Thank you.